You see? You see why I don't want to turn up here so too long?
It's a tough time. Said rum and boom, ban. Ray and nephew. Once with energy drink.
Me a save, dirty boy. Are you me?
We are called dirty boy. Come me clean up. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot.
Drunkard.
Yeah, idiot.
Look, pa.
I remember saying, when you come out say rum and boom ban. Yes, so true. She ever has I don't say rum and boom then. So that's why.
The soap give me my job to take the rum to the office, the rum office, and put it in the tester.
Make sure you come back.
You
have something to do.
must come out of force. You're the worst police. You're a criminal. You're the worst police. I don't know how to put in a force. You must come out of force. You
make a sad mistake, remember you.
Hey, brother, in a real life, you know, you walk this like a dog, you know, man.
I don't know if a sergeant or a whore or you know, somebody in a higher rank. I call them, you know, and then if you come give one statement down a station for the dirty drunk.
My normal.
Are you on duty, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Mr. Superman, duty. What are you talking about?